Cat 5424 LA Tower, you ready to go from Romeo?
Yeah, we're ready for Romeo, Skywest 5424.
Cat 5424, only 2 left at Romeo, line up and wait.
Up and wait at Romeo, Skywest 5424.
Cat 5424, wind 24 jet 8. Only 24 left at Romeo, clear for takeoff.
24 left at Romeo, clear for takeoff, Skywest 5424.
Cat 5424, contact Socal.
Okay, the project is 5424.
24, contact Los Angeles Center 135.5.
35, Sky 24 to North.
Yes.
Welcome to the Friendly Skies. We're happy to have you on board with us today. As a reminder, the seatbelt sign is on. Even when the sign is off, please keep your seatbelt fastened while seated in case of unexpected turbulence. Try to keep the aisle and galley areas clear, and please use the restroom that's located in your cabin when possible. We do have 2 restrooms on this aircraft, one in the forward of the aircraft and one in the back. Remember, the bags may move around during takeoff, so please be careful when opening the overhead bins. You can now use your laptop and other larger devices. On this flight, Wi-Fi is available for purchase for $8. We also have a wide selection of free movies and TV shows on your personal device through the United app. We have a very short flight to San Luis Obispo, but please let us know if there is anything that we can do to make your flight more enjoyable. As a reminder, drinking personal alcohol that you brought on board is not permitted. That you're flying with us, and we do appreciate your business. Although we do have a short flight to San Luis Obispo, we did want to give you some quick information on a special offer. Learn how to earn up to 90,000 miles with the United Explorer card. After qualifying activities and with our promo code, you can do just that. 90,000 miles is enough for a round-trip ticket to Europe or a getaway to Hawaii. So take an application as you exit the aircraft or as we walk through later. Also, you can let a flight attendant know, and we're happy to provide one to you. Make sure you grab an application and that promo code. You can mail the application in or scan the QR code to apply. You can also learn more about United card options, including ones that have no annual fee and another that offers a United Club access. Let us know if you'd like an application. We're happy to provide one to you. Thank you.